Hallo, language enthusiasts! Welcome back to our journey of learning the German language. Today, we're taking another step forward by diving deeper into numbers and basic mathematical expressions in German. If you're ready to expand your language skills in this area, remember to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow learners, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our lessons. In Lesson Raute 7, we're venturing into the world of numbers and mathematisch. Counting from 21 to 100. Let's start by extending our counting skills from 21 to 100. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, and so on, until 100, 100. Counting beyond 100 and big numbers. To count beyond 100, simply combine the hundreds with the numbers from 1 to 99. For example, 120 means 120, and 1000 means 1000. Practice these numbers to reinforce your counting skills. Basic mathematical expressions. Now, let's explore basic mathematical expressions. Plus, to say plus, use plus. Minus, for minus, it's minus. Mal, times or multiply is mal. Geteilt durch, to express divided by, say geteilt durch. Gleich equals is gleich. For example, if you want to say 3 plus 4 equals 7, it's 3 plus 4 gleich 7. Mastering numbers and basic math in German is a valuable skill that will prove useful in everyday life. From shopping to solving simple equations, these skills will open doors to practical communication. Keep practicing, and in our future lessons, we'll explore even more advanced mathematical expressions and concepts. Thank you for joining us in Lesson Raute 7, and let's continue advancing your German language skills. Bis bald!